Welcome to the Saturday Enrichment video from Monte Vista Elementary, held on April 25, 2026. This day was all about expanding students' hearts and minds. Students enjoyed various activities, including some creative Canva art projects. Check out the happy faces and the fun they had. The Olivo Sport team organized a lively color run, bringing a burst of color and excitement to the outdoor activities. More snapshots from the Olivo Sport team's color run, showcasing students and staff enjoying the energetic event. Here are some highlights from the classrooms, where students engaged in focused, hands-on learning activities. Creative minds at work. These are beautiful pipe cleaner flowers made by the students as part of the classroom highlights. More classroom highlights show students proudly displaying their projects and participating in group activities. Students expressed their artistic talents, creating colorful flower-themed drawings and art pieces. The day included plenty of treats, music, and fun. Students and staff enjoyed Kona Ice, music from a DJ, and sweet treats. The atmosphere was festive, with music playing and everyone enjoying snacks and fun activities together. Thank you for your support in making the Saturday Enrichment at Monte Vista Elementary a great success.